Your scholarship program has rules for the school, not just the family. This page checks them against your own data. In the sidebar, under Administration, click Reports. Find your program's card. Here, Utah fits all, and click Compliance Checklist. Anything on a clock comes first. A scholarship student withdrew, and Utah gives you 5 business days to tell Odyssey. Your tier counts every enrolled student, not just funded ones. Under 150, the CPA and fingerprint duties don't apply yet. Utah wants your refund policy posted. Write it once under Edit Policy, and it prints on the disclosure. Below that, every student on a third-party scholarship, with the program student ID, the portal knows them by. The 5-day clock runs per student, counted for you, and overdue when it's overdue. Report it in the Odyssey portal, then click Mark Reported. That records that you did, and the banner at the top clears. Underneath are the duties themselves, each one linked to the statute it came from and to Odyssey's handbook. A working checklist, not legal advice. 6 states are wired up: Utah, Texas, Florida, Arizona, Iowa, and Louisiana. Same page, your program's rules. Try it free at Pearspark.com.